Kelp, the large brown seaweeds, microalgae that grow in underwater forest in shallow ocean area. So they are not true plant and they belong to the group Phaeophyceae, brown algae, and order Laminarialis. So they have a part similar to plant but with different name. So there is an anchor cleft to the rock like roots, but they don't absorb the nutrition. That is a hold fast. There is stem like structure, that is this type blades. These blades are leaf like structure which form photosynthesis, and nematocytes, they are the small air filled bladder that help the kelp float toward the sunlight. The habitat is found in cool, nutrition-rich water along rocky coastline, and they grow extremely fast. Giant kelp can grow up to 60 centimeter per day, and they provide shelter and food for marine life and is used in food. Example: seaweed, salads. So let's know about the kelp's life cycle. It shows haplodiplotonic life cycle. Alteration between a large diploid sporophyte and a tiny haploid gametophyte. So first, the diploid 2N, that is a diploid sporophytic stage. This is a big kelp plant you see in an ocean. So anchored to the rock by a holdfast, has a type blades and nematocytes. It produces sporangia on special blades called sporophylls. Inside the sporangia that goes through the meiosis occurs, and it produces the haploid zoospores. The zoospore, that is a haploid, the zoospore are microscopic and motile with two unequal flagella. They settle on the seafloor and germinates into male and female gametophyte. Then there is a gametophyte stage, that is a haploid stage, microscopic filamentous stage, much smaller than zoosporophyte. The male gametophyte produce sperm in the antheridia and female gametophyte produce egg in the oogonia. Then fertilization is by sperm swimming to the egg, attracted by the chemical signal. Then fertilization happens. Then finally the diploid zygote is formed. New sporophyte. Zygote grows into a new large kelp plant, sporophyte, and completing the cycle. So first, the life cycle of kelp is like sporophyte, diploid, then goes through meiosis, then zoospores, that is a haploid, then gametophyte, which is haploid, then gametes are formed, then fertilization takes place forming a zygote, that is a diploid, and a new sporophyte is generated. So the kelp belong to the Phaeophyceae, that is a brown algae, order Laminaria, and the life cycle is heteromorphic, and sporophyte is a